Now, climate change is a threat multiplier and will erode the traditional lens of the security analysis. These were some of the thoughts shared by the High Commissioner Neil Hawkins at the CASS Ambassador Lecture on Australia, Role in the Evolving World Order and Relations with Pakistan, organized by the Centre for Aerospace and Security Studies in Islamabad. The High Commissioner Hawkins, a seasoned diplomat, in his frank and interactive discussion, highlighted that Australia has strong interests in Pakistan given its size, economic potential and strategic position in South Asia, and is committed to supporting Pakistan to build economic prosperity and promote sustainable, equitable development. Now, appreciating the government of Pakistan's immediate efforts to help the flood-affected areas and people through the Benazir Income Support Program, as well as the role of the armed forces, the High Commissioner shared that given the unprecedented nature of the floods, the Australian government had announced $5 million for immediate relief work in the affected areas. Now, he stressed that climate change was a global challenge for which all the countries must put politics aside and work together to find practical and sustainable solutions.